Hello everyone. Today I have come to Full Nakhra to show you a duplex project. So this is the duplex project and these are the duplexes which are being constructed. So there are 5 duplexes altogether, out of which only 2 are left for sale. And as you can see, this is the area. This area name is known as Bamphakuda, which is just 1 kilometer from highway. Not even 1 kilometer, it's 800 meters from the highway. So this is 801 kilometer from Grand Bazaar, just opposite of Grand Bazaar. So this is Full Nakhra. So this is the project which is for sale, and this is the duplex. This is under construction, which is under construction right now, and this is a 2-story duplex, and this is one way to enter, and that is the second way to enter. This is the portico or the garage, and from there also you can enter. So now let's go inside. Okay, first I'll show you the area. Let me zoom in. So as you can see over there, that is the Grand Bazaar. That building is the Grand Bazaar. If you guys can see, I have just zoomed it a bit. So that is Grand Bazaar. So it's hardly 1 kilometer from Grand Bazaar. So that is the Grand Bazaar, and that is the highway, Cuttack Bhubaneswar highway. So it is hardly 1 kilometer from the highway. So now let's go inside and see the details of this duplex. So this duplex is built, the super built up area is 1500 square feet, and this duplex consists of 3 bedroom, 2 kitchen, 2 puja room and 3 toilets. So this is the ground floor, and this is the first room. This is the toilet, common toilet for this room, for this floor, and this is the room which is under construction, so you won't be able to see the clarity of this room properly. So this is the ground floor. This is the puja room, and that is the kitchen, and this over here is the puja room. So ground floor consists of 1 room, 1 attached toilet, 1 puja room and 1 kitchen. So this ground floor also has separate entrance. There are 2 entrances, one from the side which we came in and the other one from here. So this is the second entrance. So yes, so the super built up area of this project is 1500 square feet, and the carpet area is 2500 square feet. So now we are going to the first floor, and I will show you the first floor now. So as we reach the first floor, this is the facade from where we came, and this, as we enter on the left hand side, this is the puja room again. So this is the first floor's puja room, and this is the first floor. This is the first room with attached toilet, and that one is the common toilet I showed you. That one over there is the kitchen. That is the puja room. That is from where we entered, and over there, that is the second room. The second room has a balcony attached with it, and so let's go outside to look at the balcony, the front view. So this is the small balcony, and this is the room. So as we exit from the room, over there on the right hand side, that is the puja room. That is the entrance from where we came. This is the puja room, and that is the common toilet, and this is the lobby, dining cum drawing area. This is the kitchen for the first floor. So each floor has its own individual kitchen, quite spacious kitchen. And now let's go to the master bedroom. So this master bedroom is a very big master bedroom. As already you saw it downstairs, the master bedroom for each floor is the same. The size for the master bedroom is the same. This is the attached toilet for the master bedroom. That is the entrance from where we came, and this is the view from the window. See, the road which is coming from the main road is around 80 feet main road, and this is the view from the master bedroom. And again, let me zoom in for you to look at the Grand Bazaar, which is just 800 meters from this project. So now let me tell you the distances from this project. So Cuttack is 12 kilometers from here, Rasulgarh is 22 kilometers from here, airport is 33 kilometers from here, and Panda Cancer Hospital is 2 kilometers from here, and Grand Bazaar is 800 meters. So this project consists of 3 bedroom, 2 kitchen, 2 puja room and 3 toilets. So this is the staircase to go to the terrace. So as the construction is going on, we cannot go to the terrace. So if you guys are interested, please do call us on the number displayed on your screen, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you.